So what I wanted to show on the CircuitPython Parsec today is a real simple, easy one-liner which you can use to change the rotation of your external display when you are sending DVI video out to something like an HDMI monitor. You do this in the settings.toml. So this is not something you're going to do in code, but rather in your settings.toml file. I'm going to make this bigger over here so you can see it. What you'll see here on the right, here on the left, there's my code. Here on the right, this is the settings.toml file. I have a fruit jam here with DVI video coming out over HDMI cable, going to this cute little monitor. And you can see here it's displaying the REPL as well as some HDMI EDID info. We'll talk about that more later. Right now it's displaying this in sort of the normal orientation, degrees, zero rotation. If I want to change that, let's say I want to use my monitor sideways like this, tate mode in arcade terminology. So if I want to use this like this for whatever reason, I've got a little kiosk or a wearable, a little cyber deck. The way that you change this in one fell swoop, you don't have to worry about your CircuitPython code, is by simply changing CircuitPy_display_rotation equals in your settings.toml file. So I'll go ahead and save this, and then you need to hard cycle or power off and on your display. So what I'm going to do is turn off the fruit jam, turn it back on, and you'll see when it boots up now, it is in this 90-degree rotation orientation here. If I want to change that to flip it upside down, go to 180, save that. Say for some reason you needed your buttons on the top, turn it off, turn it on. Code remains the same. I'm not changing anything in code.py. This could just be the REPL that you're using here. If I had I don't have a keyboard plugged into the fruit jam right now, but if I wanted to, or in my case, I'll just screen into it. If I Control C and do something like load board, or import board, dir board, find out some board information, you can see all of that is in this rotated mode. And we can go 0, 90, 180, and 270 if you wanted to flip that the other way. So if I head up here, 270, save, turn it off and turn it on, this will be vertically upside down now. Settings.toml file, you will often have that set up already for any Wi-Fi stuff you're doing. So this is, you can see I've blanked mine out, but CircuitPy Wi-Fi SSID and password are here. I'm setting the display width and height and color depth here. You don't have to do that, these are optional, but the rotation here is the key thing if you want to use your monitor in funny ways like that. And that is how you can change the rotation of your external display in CircuitPython using the settings.toml file. And that is your CircuitPython Parsec.